you want the delicious flavor of a wood-fired meal with the ease of turning a dial? With Z Grills, it's as simple as turning on the grill and setting the temperature. Z Grills Pellet Grills gives your food a natural wood-smoked flavor that charcoal and propane grills just can't match. Pellet grills have become the must-have style of grill for home cooks and professional barbecue chefs alike for their ease of use, fuel efficiency, versatility, and eco-friendliness. Z Grills offers 100% natural wood pellets in competition blend, fruit wood, apple, cherry, and hickory to enhance the flavor of any food you grill. And the pellet clean out door makes emptying the hopper and swapping pellet flavors a breeze. Simply open the door to release the pellets into a bucket. With Z Grills Pellet Grills, your food will taste like you spent all day babysitting a grill. But Z Grills Pellet Grills allows you to set it and let it do the rest. Z Grills works while you play. Z Grills Pellet Grills comes in a range of sizes to meet your cooking needs. Whether you are feeding your household or hosting a large gathering, there's a Z Grills Pellet Grill that's right for you. The versatility of Z Grills Pellet Grills means you can cook an entire meal, appetizers, entrees, sides, and dessert on one grill. Our 8-in-1 pellet grills can smoke, grill, bake, sear, char grill, barbecue, roast, and braise your food. With Z Grills Pellet Grills, you get the best wood-fired taste and a world-class outdoor cooking experience. Our pellet grills combine simple design, premium materials, and honest pricing to bring you best-in-class pellet grills and grilling tools that can only come from more than 30 years of grill manufacturing experience. Order your Z Grills Pellet Grill to find out why our grills have won over professional and amateur cooks alike.